again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome to my channel, Through Mariah's Eyes. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm doing a Cricut unboxing. I have 2 Cricut items and I have a printer. Those are my 3 large items that I'm going to be unboxing. And then I have just a bunch of jewelry making items as well as just craft items. You know, if you want to start kind of what to get when you're about to start your kind of crafting on the idea to, you know, pursue like a business idea and stuff like that. So I did get the updated Cricut. So this is the Cricut Maker machine. I guess that's kind of what the new model is called. So this one is not gonna have the twist cap. This is gonna be more simpler. Box. Let's get started. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you're gonna have a let's get started box in here on top. All right, let me see if I can open this. All right, so in this box we have one of the Cricut cutters in here. We got direction. We have a Cricut pen or a marker, and we have the cord to the Cricut, as well as there's a rotary blade cap, so you don't cut yourself. And I got the color Lily. It's gonna be the purple one. I don't know how good you guys can see this. It's really cute. It's really super cute. You have the little cup holder right there, or you know, supply holder. Yeah. Oh, this is heavy. All right, and then just in case you guys are wondering why a computer chair is in here, there's a built-in desk in my kitchen, so that's why that is in there. Just a FYI. Y'all see that? Hold up. Did y'all see that? So you're gonna, when you open this, check this out. Do y'all see that? Smooth. There's some styrofoam in here, and there's already a blade in there as well. So in the box, just so you guys know what's included, there's obviously the Cricut Maker. I can do this. So there's some stuff right here. Kind of see that? So there's a Cricut Maker, a rotary blade and drive housing, a premium fine point blade and housing. There's a fine point pen and black, a fabric grip map, a light grip map, a welcome book, a USB cable, power adapter, free trial of the membership, and for 50 free ready to make projects, including sewing patterns. We'll see. Alright, so here is the adapter. Once I officially learn how to use this, guys, that's when I will post another updated video. But as of right now, this is just an unboxing video. When you move the bottom styrofoam, guys, there's gonna be the items that they mentioned, which is the 2 boards. So these are the 2 Cricut grip paper, the grip, 2 grip maps. One's for fabric grip, the pink one, and this one's going to be for light grip, as well as the matching t-shirt maker, the Easy Press 2. So this is the larger one. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys so you guys know kind of what's in it. And the reason why I purchased this stuff, guys, is because I'm in the middle of like wanting to create more, think outside the box type of deal, and just kind of spark some creativity so that I can create things, you know, and kind of start a business, be on my way to doing that. So I bought this stuff. Everything I bought today is mostly for test runs, just to kind of see how to create things as well. So in your Easy Press, on top you are going to see the test sticky kind of logo that they got right here to iron onto something. The directions are going to be in here. Let me kind of see. There's something else in there. And then there's like to register your product that you guys purchased. It's in there as well. Take this out. Okay, so it's heavy. They really put this in there upside down, or I opened it upside down, either way. So this is pretty big. This bag that they gave you guys is like a test bag, so that you can iron on this right on the bag. Alright, so this is the Cricut maker. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of debating if I want to go back and get the smaller one, because this is very heavy. So this is the large one. This is how big the heat plate is. So yeah, the power cord is super thick. It's a 3-prong one, but it matches the Cricut maker that I got as well. So it's the lily color. Boom. And then you have your heat plate, so you can set this down. You can set your Cricut onto. And honestly, I think that's all that's in here. Yep, Cricut, the base, the welcome book, and the materials for a practice project, which was the Cricut logo. So I'm really excited, guys, to kind of start using this stuff. I really am excited. Like, you guys have no idea. So So I was gonna buy the NB Photo 7155, I believe, but it was a 3-in-1, and I felt like this one was right next to it. It's the NB Photo 7855. Reason I got this one was because it's a 4-in-1, so I can fax. You know, I might not need to fax anything right at this minute, but I feel like with me just moving to Arizona, my documents or anything like that, or if like business purposes, like I need to fax something off or have somebody fax something to me, like I would like to have that option and not have to like go out somewhere to fax. So that's the reason why I got this one. I think it only comes in black, guys. I did try to find a white one, but I did not see them in the stores. I didn't really see it online. If there is one online, then it's probably just an online thing where you can get it, but let me go ahead and unbox it. This one actually, guys, it includes the ink in there already. I didn't know because sometimes it's hard to kind of find ink cartridges because they're not like stock. So when I went to 2 different stores, you know, I went to Target and Best Buy, and they didn't have the ink that I needed. So this printer takes a 64 HP ink cartridge, and you're gonna need both of them. So you're gonna need a colored one and you're gonna need the black one. So just keep that in mind. But this one is already included, so just check your box for whatever printer you're getting and see if there's ink included in the box. What do we have here? So we kind of have the instructions on how to hook it up, the HP printer. And obviously, guys, there's a lot of videos out there that can literally tell you how to hook up your printer. I'm gonna be, you know, one of the viewers that's going to pick up on a video and watch it so I can see how to set all this up, because obviously I really don't know what I'm doing. You know, this is just an unboxing video. It's all a learning process, so bear with me. I hope these noises aren't too annoying, guys. All right, this is like really big, so let's see. I think I'm gonna tip this over. That would be the smartest thing to do. Tip this over and kind of slide it on out. All right, this is like hard as nice. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay, all right, guys. This isn't rocket science, but there's clearly a bag with a holder, like to put your fingers through, so you can slide this out. All right. You guys, this is a perfect example to double check the styrofoam pieces in the boxes that you're unboxing, because clearly when I took this printer out the bag, I just threw the styrofoam on the floor. And then later on, I couldn't find the ink cartridges, and I realized like they weren't in the box. And as I was packing everything back in, because I was going to return it, because if you don't use the ink cartridges that come with the printer, your printer's not going to work because they're programmed to be the first ink cartridges that go into it. So I couldn't even use my printer. And then as I was putting everything in the box, that's when I noticed that the ink cartridges were there. Put them in the printer, everything worked out. So just keep in mind, don't make the mistake I made, guys. I'm a little unobservant. Hopefully you can't see that mess creating down there. I'm not gonna make these boxes. I might. Make sure you don't destroy your packaging, guys, just in case something isn't working or something looks, you know, a little iffy. Try to salvage your boxes. Don't rip things up right away, because you never know what's gonna happen. All right, ooh, this is like beautiful, guys. So honestly, I've been trying to get a printer for like, y'all, like a year. Like I've been trying to get a printer for a whole year. Like what? Why did it take me so long to get a printer? I don't really know. The first thing I'm gonna do with this printer actually is create a vision board. I'm gonna just show you that real quick. So I bought some poster board from the Dollar Tree, and I'm definitely gonna be printing this stuff out to practice and see what I can kind of create. Because if you're trying to get motivated, you're trying to stay on task of what you guys are doing, I think everybody should have a vision board. Wake up to it, look at your goals, what you want, whether it's a new car, new house, saving up money, or you know, not depending on a job and working for yourself. so you don't have anybody hovering over you and dealing with kind of hasty people all the time. Definitely want to have a vision board to kind of change your mindset and kind of stay focused on the, you know, future that you're trying to create for yourself. All right, so I'm actually gonna rip this open. I'm really excited. All right, this is my first unboxing video, guys, so bear with me here. All right, so we got this. What do we have right here? This is more instructions on how to hook everything up. Another reason why I picked this printer compared to the HP 7155 is because this is wireless, but it also has the option to connect to something. So if I wanted to connect it to my laptop, I figured just in case there was like a malfunction with the wireless stuff, like, you know, or your internet, at least you have the option to kind of hook up a HDMI. What do we got here? Right here. So I can literally hook up. I can put an HDMI cord right inside of here. This printer is like really dope, guys. So it has the HDMI here. You can put your SD card from like your camera right in there, which is pretty sweet. It's all wireless, so you can connect your, you know, if you have smart cameras, like, you know, I have Canon cameras, so I can literally wire stuff through this to print out, you know, photos if I want to. I have the fax machine right here. I have the copy machine right here. Like, it's pretty lit. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using this stuff. And then obviously you got your little, where's the extended right here? Okay, well, you can load your paper right there. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you watch the last video that I filmed, subscribe. My next video that's coming out is a huge jewelry haul, and it's gonna be a haul also from Dollar Tree as well. So stay tuned and make sure you like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, and thank you.